I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're having Manicotti Italian Casserole. You're going to need 1 pound of the rigatoni pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of Italian sausage, 1 8-ounce can of mushrooms. This may be a little bit more than 8 ounce. You're going to need 2 32-ounce spaghetti sauce of whatever you like. I've got 4 pints here. It's 2 quarts. And then you'll need 1.5 pounds of mozzarella cheese. I have about 2 pounds here that I've shredded up. And you need some thin sliced pepperoni. Okay, first we're going to boil our pasta in a little bit of salted water. And we're going to boil this till it's al dente, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, while that's boiling, I'm going to fry my burger and sausage in the pan. This is the pan Doug grinded down for me, and as you can tell, it's starting to get some seasoning on it. So we're gonna, and it's still, it don't stick. That's the best thing. So we'll fry that up till that's done, and then we'll be back. Okay, the meat's done, my pasta's done, I've strained it. Now I'm just going to sort of tip this a little bit and pull the meat up here. And that sort of drains off the grease. And I'm going to take my pan and just put the meat in. Okay, I've got my meat here. I'm going to stir in the mushrooms. Get them spread out there. Now I'm going to stir in all the spaghetti sauce. Get that stirred up good. Now the recipe don't say to do this, but down in the comments of the recipe, they said later on that they added half or part of the cheese first to the spaghetti sauce and all. I'm going to add a little bit there and mix that up. Okay, next I'm going to stir in my pasta. Yeah, this is getting full. Try to get it all in one pan. Might be a good idea to stir this up in a bigger bowl at first and then put it in the pan. I just went along to what the recipe says to do. There's going to be a lot of pasta in there. Okay, now we're just going to spread the cheese on top. think I may want to put a cookie sheet under this in the oven in case it boils over. Get all that cheese. Don't waste any cheese. Alright, now I'm going to take the pepperonis and just spread however many you want on top. Now you're supposed to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to wrap this up and put it in the refrigerator. We're probably going to eat a little later tonight. And I'll be back whenever I bake it this evening. Here it is out of the oven. Let's plate it up and have a taste test. Okay, here you go. It's plated up. Let's have Doug taste it.
It's definitely cheesy.
That's good.
Oh, good.
Lost a bite.
It's good, folks. I'm just going back for a second here.
Doug likes his Italian.
It's good, folks. You have to try this.
Alright. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.